Face recognition based on FFG. The main application of this project is to identify various irises of human beings, which is self-explained by the title itself. The main task of the project is to identify different irises based on FFG. Facet function gradient is a metric for matching different iris images. The pre-processing steps involved in the project will be as mentioned in the right hand side. And for this I have done the MATLAB code, which I'm going to show you here. Basically, for this application we need to have a set of predefined images which is stored in test images. These are the various input images we are using for this particular application. And there should be a database for you to maintain or to store the images to your database. And diagnostics is another folder which you will be storing the various output images while adding a particular image to the database. I'm going to the code, so I'm running the MATLAB code, which initially asks to do various steps as mentioned in the menu. The first one will be adding a iris image to database, and the second to match irises, and the third to others, just like exit. Okay, now initially there are no images in the database. This is a simple indication where you find no image or no content in the database folder of your current directory. Now if you give 1 add iris to database, now it will be asking you to enter the image name you want to add to the database. The test images are placed in the test image folder. Consider one of the image1.bmp, which is given as input. So iris successfully added to iris database. Now you can verify the iris database. You got a file called db_m, and in diagnostics these are the various outputs we got while processing that particular iris image. You can observe these image outputs here also in the paper as mentioned. Okay, then now again if you run it again, it will ask for again the same menu. Now if you go to the second option, that is matching iris based on FFG, again it will ask for which particular image you want to check that was existing in the database or not. I have already added image1 to database. So similarly, again if I give image1.bmp, it should say match found.